let's bring in our meteorologist, Eric Tolman. He is saying it has just been a very windy day today, right, Eric? Yes, it has been very, very windy today. I have the numbers up for you on the wind gusts. Let's go ahead and talk about wind gusts real quick, and then we'll talk about the extended forecast and much more. We have a lot to cover today, a lot happening. So this is how we're all going to play it. So just kind of bear with me as we roll these numbers and all this stuff. So anyway, the first talk that we want to talk about is basically all the wind that we have across southeast lower Michigan. We will talk about that wind advisory. And for those that don't know, the wind advisory for southeast lower Michigan is in effect until 12 o'clock midnight. I will make sure we have a posting for that as well. It's not up yet, but I will eventually get it pulled up here shortly, and I will explain to you the situation on that. So if you're going to be around Metro Detroit, just be aware of all of the wind gusts and just hold on to your hats because it's a very windy day. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about numbers right now and what's happening across the metropolitan Detroit area. Out in Waterford in Oakland County, it's we're getting readings of 19 degree reading of 90 degree wind gusts, 19 wind gusts for you guys up in Flint, 17 per hour wind gusts up there. Midland is also reporting 17 wind gusts as well. Up in the Thumb area, they're reporting 19 per hour wind gusts up there as well. Out in Detroit, Livonia, and Westland is reporting 17 per hour wind gusts at times. Ann Arbor is reporting 18 wind gusts at times. Jackson is reporting 15 per hour wind gusts at times. So it's actually windy wherever you go. Hillsdale is reporting 19 wind gusts. Adrian is reporting 18. And then let me look at one other area here. I'm sorry. Kalamazoo is reporting 14 right now for wind gusts right now. And then Grand Rapids is at 12 for wind gusts right now. So wherever you go, all over the state of Michigan, the numbers are, rather, between, we've got some 13s, we've got some 14s, we've got some 12s, 17s. Some of the numbers are higher, some of them are lower. It all depends on where you're at in the state of Michigan. But all in all, it has just been a very, very windy day, and it is getting cold very, very fast. Why is this all happening? Well, I'm going to explain why. We have a very, very strong cold front that is going to be making its move through southeast lower Michigan, and it has been doing a bunch of different things. Today we've had showers and thunderstorms today, and once that the cold front finally moves on through southeast lower Michigan and the state of Michigan, I should say, the state of Michigan, once that cold front finally moves out of here, then we're going to be on the back edge of it, and we're going to be dealing with some cold. So that means that you're going to have to get out the winter jackets and all that other good stuff. So it's rather going to be a mess, and we might even see some snowflakes as well. So a lot of things that we have to cover for this evening, because we've been having Wi-Fi outages at times today, so that put us behind schedule, but we are back now and we're on. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on the weather forecast, and we're going to let you know exactly what our models indicate and when we can see snow and how much and who's going to get clipped with the snow. I'm going to detail that, but please stay tuned. Coming up next, we'll talk about the wind advisory for southeast lower Michigan and how long it's in effect for, and the counties that are affected by this wind advisory. So stay tuned. We'll update you on the wind advisory coming up after this. This completes the forecast for the wind gusts across the state of Michigan and southeast Michigan and our viewing area as well. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman. Please stay tuned with us. We've got lots to cover this evening. You don't want to miss out on it. Stay tuned. We'll be back after this.